Tammy Slaton's journey on TLC's hit show 1000 lb Sisters has been nothing short of extraordinary. From the early days when she struggled with immobility, food addiction, and her painful dependence on an 8XL wardrobe to her current chapter where she has undergone life-changing surgery and embraced a new lifestyle, Tammy's transformation has stunned viewers. Fans who have followed her from the very beginning remember the oversized clothes that defined her struggle with weight, but today, after undergoing her big skin removal procedure, Tammy's body and wardrobe have both completely changed. The big question buzzing in the fandom is what size does she wear now, and how different is her life compared to her darkest days. At the height of her health battle, Tammy's size was something that left fans shocked and heartbroken. She wore 8XL clothes that were often custom-made or ordered from special online retailers. The sheer scale of her body meant that not only was she limited in mobility, but she was also restricted in everyday choices that most people take for granted, including shopping for clothes, wearing trendy outfits, and even fitting comfortably into chairs or vehicles. TL's cameras often showed her frustration as she tried to dress herself, sometimes struggling to find clothes that were both comfortable and functional. Those oversized shirts and dresses became symbolic of the emotional and physical pain Tammy was carrying, not just her weight but also the judgment from the public and her personal insecurities. What made things more emotional was how Tammy herself admitted that she hated her appearance in those clothes. She often said she felt trapped in her own body, forced to hide beneath giant garments that didn't allow her to express any real personality or style. Instead of enjoying bright colors or fashionable pieces, she was limited to what was available in the 8XL category. Fans on social media often expressed sadness when they saw her struggle to walk or breathe while wearing those massive clothes, but Tammy's sense of humor and honesty kept people rooting for her. However, Tammy's story was never just about the clothing size. The 8XL label became a metaphor for how far her health had spiraled out of control. Her dependency on oxygen, repeated hospital visits, and the looming fear of early death made her journey all the more urgent. Doctors on the show repeatedly warned her that without drastic lifestyle changes, she would not survive. Even then, Tammy faced a tough uphill battle. Food addiction, loneliness, and a toxic cycle of relationships contributed to her downward spiral, and viewers wondered if she would ever make it to the other side of transformation. Everything began to change when Tammy decided to fully commit to her weight loss journey. After entering a rehab facility, fans started noticing dramatic changes in her face and body. She began shedding pounds at a surprising pace, and for the first time in years, she was moving more independently. This newfound progress reignited hope that Tammy could finally qualify for bariatric surgery. When she eventually underwent her weight loss procedure, fans saw her determination reach new heights. Gone were the days of 8XL clothes, oxygen tanks, and constant hospitalization. Instead, Tammy started appearing in slimmer outfits, showing off her progress on TikTok and Instagram with a confidence that was missing before. But the biggest milestone came when Tammy underwent skin removal surgery. After losing hundreds of pounds, she was left with excess skin, which not only caused discomfort but also limited her ability to fully embrace her transformation. The procedure, which many bariatric patients face after significant weight loss, was a painful but rewarding step for Tammy. Doctors removed a massive amount of excess skin, and her recovery period was documented with the same raw honesty that made her famous. Fans were stunned when post-surgery pictures and clips showed her drastically smaller frame. For the first time, Tammy wasn't just surviving, she was thriving. The shift in her wardrobe became impossible to ignore. No longer confined to 8XL sizes, Tammy began exploring clothing that fit closer to her new figure. Fans online have speculated about her current clothing size, with many believing she is now down to between a 2XL and 3XL depending on the brand and cut. While TLC has not officially revealed her exact size, Tammy herself has hinted that she can now shop at mainstream plus-size retailers, something that would have been impossible before. For her, this wasn't just a matter of fashion, it was freedom. Social media buzzed with reactions as Tammy posted selfies in new outfits, ranging from casual dresses to more fitted tops. Fans praised her courage, telling her she looked like a whole new person. Many celebrated the fact that she could finally wear clothes that reflected her personality rather than her being forced to settle for the oversized, plain garments she once wore. Tammy herself has proudly shared moments where she tries on clothes in smaller sizes, smiling as she fits into something she never thought possible. The psychological impact of this transformation cannot be understated. Going from an 8XL wardrobe to a size that allows her to shop in more accessible stores has boosted Tammy's confidence tremendously. For years, she was defined by her weight and limitations, but now she is creating an identity that includes her style, her independence, and her self-love. She has repeatedly shared that she feels lighter not just physically but emotionally, as the burden of carrying both the weight and society's street stigma has eased. Fans also note that Tammy's fashion evolution reflects her inner transformation. Where once she hid behind plain, oversized garments, now she embraces brighter colors, more fitted looks, and playful styles that show off her personality. It's a visual reminder of how far she's come and how determined she is to never return to her old life. The Tammy who once struggled to find clothes that fit is now confidently exploring fashion like never before. Of course, this evolution has sparked debates online. Some fans argue that Tammy should focus less on fashion and more on maintaining her health, while others believe embracing her new wardrobe is an essential part of her healing journey. Supporters emphasize that after years of being trapped in an 8XL body, Tammy deserves to celebrate every small victory, including the chance to wear clothes that make her feel beautiful. Critics, however, caution her to stay focused, reminding her that keeping the weight off long-term is the real challenge. But regardless of the debates, one truth remains: Tammy Slaton has achieved what many thought was impossible. From her painful days of being trapped in 8XL clothes to her current reality where she can fit into mainstream plus-size fashion, her journey is inspiring thousands of people worldwide. Her story highlights the emotional and physical challenges of obesity, the power of determination, and the life-changing results of choosing health over self-destruction. Today, when fans ask, what size does Tammy wear now? The answer is more than just a number on a clothing tag. It's a testament to her resilience, her survival, and her evolution. It symbolizes the fact that she fought back from the brink of death, shed her painful past, and stepped into a future where she feels comfortable in her own skin, literally and figuratively. Whether she rocks a 2XL, 3XL, or even smaller in the future, Tammy Slaton has proven that she is more than her size. Her journey continues to unfold, and fans are eagerly watching what's next for the star. Will she inspire others by launching her own plus-size fashion line? Will she continue to update viewers with more weight loss milestones and style transformations? One thing is certain: Tammy Slaton has rewritten her story from one of despair to one of victory, and her new wardrobe is just the beginning of a brighter chapter. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.